Okay, so now we will see the trigonometric ratios of compound angles. Okay, so that is the third chapter. So what do we mean by compound angle? Compound means any angle which is added or subtracted. If you have two different angles. Okay, what we found in the earlier classes is that we found the trigonometric ratios of all the angles up to 360 degree. Okay, now I am giving you difference of two angles. I have two angles. Okay, say something alpha and beta or A and B. So what should be the trigonometric ratio of A minus B or A plus B? Okay, this is a compound angle. Okay, so a compound angle is what? Is the addition or subtraction of two angles or any number of angles. Okay, it's not necessary to any angles. Okay, so now, how will we find out trigonometric ratio for a compound angle? That's what we are going to see now. Okay, so let us what do we mean by a compound angle? So let us draw the coordinate system as earlier. So this is what? X-axis minus x, y and minus 1. So to get an trigonometric ratios, what we do? We take a unit circle of unit radius, right? So let me take a circle of unit radius. So let this be a circle of radius 1. Okay. So let me have a point and let this point be angle be A. Okay. So then what is let this point be what? X comma y. Okay. So now we know, so given this angle, then we know sine A equal to y because r equal to 1 and cos A is equal to x. Okay. So in the place of x, I can write cos A. In the place of y, I can write sin A. So let me replace this as. So this is going to be cos A comma sin A. So now let me get another one angle. Okay. So I am going to use a different color for that. Let me call another angle and let this angle be B. So then what this point will be? Let me put it as Q. Q will be
x1, x2 power y2.
Okay, what is that in terms of angle?
Cos B comma
Correct.
sin B.
Cos B comma
Sin B.
sin B. Okay. So now I am asking what is the trigonometric ratio. So we know here also this is if you get this you know what is the cos and sin B. Now I am asking what is the trigonometric ratio of this angle. You put it in black. So what is the trigonometric ratio of this angle? What is that? This angle is B minus A. Correct? So now if you let us try to find out the trigonometry of this angle. So now what am I going to do? I am going to go do some construction. So I am going to draw another line, another angle which is basically B minus A. So what am I going to do? So let me write this one here so it won't confuse. B minus A. This is okay. B minus A. Okay, this angle is. Now we will have another one angle. That is what? Let me draw it in blue color, the dotted line. So I am going to construct another angle. Okay, and I am going to call this angle, the measure of this angle is again P minus A. Okay, so let me make this point as PQR. I am going to make it as R. And so what is the R? R will be, this angle is not B minus A. So this is going to be cos B minus A sin B minus A. Okay? So now, and this is our, let me call this point as A. Okay? I am going to join these 2 points. This one and this one. R and A I am going to join. Similarly, I will join P and Q. Okay? And we have the origin as O. Okay? Now let us see the triangle. Let us write down the triangle. Triangle OPQ in triangle OPQ and triangle ORA. All I need, so angle QOP, what is angle QOP? QOP is equal to ROA, correct? Equal to angle ROA, well, that's equal to what? B minus A. And the sides are equal. OA equal to OQ, OQ is equal to OP is equal to OR equal to OA, correct? So by then you can use your SAS congruency theorem. Okay, therefore triangle OPQ is it is a congruent symbol, right? Congruent to triangle ORA. Okay, therefore QP will be equal to RA, correct? Therefore QP is equal to RA. So now let us find out the distance. So I have 2 points. Given 2 points, x1, y1 and another point x2, y2. What is the distance between the point? If distance is r, what is the distance?
Root of x1.
R square equal to, let us write the square. Remove it. R square equal to x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Correct? So therefore, similarly I can find out QP equal to what? QP square. QP square equal to, tell me.
QP square.
Let us.
Q square plus.
So QP square. QP square equal to Q square plus OP square.
Sin B minus cos.
What is X? Tell X first, na? What is X?
X is cos B.
Tell me what is it? Cos B minus
Cos A.
cos A. What is that? Still
Whole square.
whole square.
Plus
Plus?
sin B minus sin A whole square.
Sin B minus sin A
Whole square.
whole square. Okay. So let us open it. So what happened? You know A minus B whole square form, right? Cos B square plus cos A square minus 2.
Square will come before A.
Oh, okay, yeah. So square should be written here. Cos square A, cos square B, 2 cos A, cos B. Correct? Then plus, this will be sin square B plus sin square A minus 2 sin A sin B. Correct? So now cos sin square B plus cos square B is 1. Sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So 1 plus 1 makes it 2. Right? So this is going to be, tell me what it will be. 2 times minus 2 cos A cos B minus 2 sin A sin B. Okay? Or if you take 2 commonly outside, it's going 1 minus cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So this is your QP square, correct? Now let us find out RA square. They both has to be equal, right? RA square will be equal to what? Now tell me, RA square is what? R is here, A is here. Okay. What is A? Tell me what will be A?
1, 0.
Correct. 1, 0. Because unit circle, right? Now tell me what is RA square?
So cos B minus A.
Cos b minus a
minus 1
minus 1 whole square plus
sin b minus a
sin b minus a
whole square.
minus 0. So it is a sin square b minus a. Correct?
Hmm.
So this will be what? So let us again open it up. So what happens? It will be cos square b minus a. We are making it as b minus a. Correct? Yeah. Correct. Then minus 2 cos b minus a. This will be plus 1 plus sin square b minus a. Okay. So cos square b minus sin square b minus a, what is that? 1. So that 1 plus 1 becomes 2. So that becomes 2 plus 2, sorry, 2 minus 2 minus 2 cos b minus a, or if I take 2 commonly outside, becomes 1 minus cos b minus a. Okay? b minus a. Okay? So this is 1 and this is 2. 1 equal to 2. Okay? So since 1 equal to 2, when I equate them both, 2 gets cancels off. So let us write it down step by step. So 1 minus cos a cos b minus sin a sin b is equal to 2 into, am I right? 1 minus cos b minus a. Correct? So 2 cancels off. Then 1 also will get 2 gets cancels off. So 2 goes off. So this bracket I can remove. Okay? So then 1 also gets cancels off. So then both the sides is negative, right? I can always multiply by 1 minus and make it positive. So what we have the answer? Therefore, cos b minus a equal to cos a
cos b,
or rather I will write reverse. Cos b cos a plus sin b sin a. Or similarly, if I write cos a minus b,
the opposite. Sin b cos a like that.
think. Why? Cos of minus theta equal to what?
Okay.
Cos of minus theta equal to
Cos theta.
minus cos theta. Cos theta.
Cos theta, the same thing.
Okay. Therefore, a minus b or b minus b doesn't matter for cos. Okay, so we got the first relation for. So therefore, what we have is, so we have the relation. So cos a minus b equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay. Now, what will be cos a plus b? Tell me. How will you do that? You don't have to do all this jugglery. Just from this above relation, you can get it. How? If I replace, okay, so let me find out for the addition of it. So I am going to have another angle where C is equal to minus B. If I write C equal to minus B, so then cos A minus C will be equal to the same formula, correct? So cos A cos C plus sin A sin C. Am I right or no? The same, na? In the place of B, I am going to write it C.
It should be plus, right?
Which one?
The A plus.
No, correct, na? A minus B equal to cos A cos B, A minus C equal to cos A C.
Okay.
Right? Now if I write C is equal to minus B, okay? So just I replaced B as C. Okay, now if I write c equal to minus b, then what happens? This will be cos a plus b is equal to cos of minus b will be cos b only. Correct? So this is going to be cos a cos b and this one. Okay? See, right? Sine of minus b will be sine of minus theta how much?
Minus n.
Minus sine theta. So this is going to be minus. Correct? So this will be minus sine a sine b. Okay? So this is the, so we got a relation for cos a plus b equal to cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. So we write it down here. Cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. Okay. So let us go for one. See, this is the basic formula. From here you can get all these formulas. Consider if one of the angle is pi by 2 and let the other angle be theta. So let us see what happens. So cos pi by 2 minus theta will be equal to what? Tell me. Cos pi by 2 cos theta minus, right? So minus means plus. Sin pi by 2 sin theta. What is cos pi by 2? This is 0. So what is sin pi by 2? 1. So you equal to what? Sin theta. Correct? So here, what will be cos pi by 2 plus theta?
Cos pi by 2 into cos theta minus sin pi by 2 sin theta.
Sin theta. What is minus sin pi by 2? This will be what? What is equal to 1? This is 0. This is 1. So this will be minus sin theta. Okay? So this is a relation you should know for. So then we can also prove it for okay, so we have, so let us write down this equation. So cos pi by 2 minus theta equal to sin theta and cos pi by 2 plus theta equal to minus sin theta. Okay? So now let us try to find the, for sine how it will be. So if I ask you a question, what will be sin pi by 2 minus theta? So if the question is, let us ask, what will be sin pi by 2 minus theta? Okay? It is simple. So what I am going to do, so we will from here, okay, either whichever equation we can take, let me call A is equal to pi by 2 minus theta, okay, and B is equal to pi by 2. So now let us put up this. So what happened? Cos A minus B, cos A minus B, right? Pi by 2 get cancelled. So you are getting cos minus theta, correct? Cos of minus theta will be equal to cos A. What is that? Cos pi by 2 minus theta into cos B. Cos B is equal to pi by, cos B is cos pi by 2, okay? Pi by 2 plus sin A, sin pi by 2 minus theta into sin B is sin pi by 2. This is 0. Okay? So this goes off. Cos minus theta is nothing but cos theta. We know that. So now, what does that? Sin pi by 2 is 1. Correct? So this becomes 1. So we have sin pi by 2 minus theta equal to cos theta. Okay, so if I want to get what's pi by 2 plus theta, simple. Change the sign of theta, right? So if I write if I replace theta with minus theta, okay, so then what is going to happen? So then sine pi by 2 minus of minus theta will be cos minus theta, correct? So minus of minus is plus. So sine pi by 2 plus theta equal to cos theta. Okay, so cos sine pi by 2 minus theta as well as sine pi by 2 plus theta equal to cos theta. So we got so pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sine pi by 2 plus theta, and that is equal to cos theta. Okay? So knowing these relations, so now we can actually find out, if you know these values, then it's easily you can find out what is the sine of the compound angle from the cos. Okay? So what is that? So let us write for sine, if I want to find out sine A minus B. Okay? So then if I want to write sine A minus B, I can use this relation, right? Sine theta equal to cos pi by 2 minus theta. So this I can write it as cos pi by 2 minus A minus B. Correct? So now I know. So and then, okay, now I can use cos A minus B formula. Or I can, let me reshuffle it. So this is going to be cos, I can do pi by 2 minus A plus B. Alright? Correct? So let us open it. So this is, let us use the same formula. This is A plus B, cos A plus B formula. So what is going to be? Cos A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So this will be cos pi by 2 minus A, this is the first one, and then cos
B.
Tell me, then?
Minus sin pi by 2 minus A sin B.
Now we know what is the relation. Pi by 2 minus A, what is it? Cos pi by 2 minus theta equal to sin theta, correct? So this will be?
Sin B.
Sin?
A, okay.
Sin A
cos B minus sin, okay, there will be sin A.
There is some mistake we did. Sin pi by 2, sin pi by 2 minus A. This one, na? What it will be?
That's minus cos A.
Minus cos A.
Because there's a minus down there, right?
Yeah, here, minus cos A sin B. So this is the formula for A minus. Sin A minus B equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So we got that relation also. So similarly we can always find out, okay, so let me write it down. So this is going to be sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay? So now if I ask what is sin A plus B, how will you do it? Just replace B with minus B. Correct? So this will be what? Sin of A minus minus B. Okay, that will be sin A cos of minus B minus cos A sin of minus B. So now you put cos of minus B is cos B. Okay, so and this will be what? A plus B. Sin of A plus B will be, so this is sin A cos B. Sin minus B equal to minus sin. So minus minus becomes plus. So this is going to be plus cos A sin B. So only thing is the sign will change. So sin A cos B plus cos A Sine B. So we got the common relation for the sine also. Okay. So now let us write for tan. Okay. So how are we going to write for? Let us try for tan A plus B.
We can just divide those two.
Sine and it break up into sine and cos. Exactly. So what is going to be sine A plus B divided by cos A plus B, and then we use the formula. What is that formula here? Sine A plus B is what? Sine A cos B. Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B divided by, this will be cos A plus B, right? That is cos A cos B. Cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. Okay. So now what we are going to do, let us make divide above and below by cos A cos B. Okay, this number. There are many ways you can do. Okay, basically what happened, whole idea is we want to write tan A plus B in terms of tan A and tan B. So I want to convert all the sine A, cos B and everything into tan A and tan B. Okay. So if I divide this by cos B, okay, so then sine A will come, right? If I divide by cos A cos B, then cos B cancels. Sine A by cos A will become tan A. Similarly here, cos A will cancel. Sine B by cos B will become tan B. Okay. So I have to divide the same thing with the bottom also. Let us try that. So that is going to be what? Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B divided by cos A cos B above and divided by bottom also. Same thing can be divided there also. Cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. So you see, nicely it came out as a cos A cos B. Okay, from here itself you can see. When I open up, cos B cancels. So it's going to get sine A by cos A. That becomes tan A. And when it open up here, cos A cancels. Sine B by cos B. Tan B. And now here, cos A plus AB cos AB cancels. Becomes 1. And here, sine A sine B by cos A cos B. That is tan A tan B. Okay, so what we will get here, so let us open up. So this is going to be the top, it will be sine A cos B divided by cos A cos B plus cos A sine B divided by cos A cos B and the whole thing divided by. So cos A cos B becomes 1, right? 1 minus sine A sine B divided by cos A cos B. So this will be what? This will be equal to cos B cancels. Cos A cancels. Therefore sine A by cos A is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Therefore tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus B equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. But remember, A and B should not be pi by 2. Not pi by 2. Yeah, pi by 2. Correct? Why? Then it becomes infinity. Okay, we will never use the trigonometry ratios when it is going to be infinity. Okay? So, because those are the undefined values, we will not use them. Okay? So we got cos, sine, tan and all. So let us try for, now we can do it for cos A minus B. Sorry, tan A minus B. What will be tan A minus B? Just replace B with minus B.
Minus B.
So then this is going to be A minus B.
Huh.
So tan A minus B will be equal to tan A. Tan of minus B is minus tan B, because sign is minus, right?
Huh.
So minus tan B divided by, here all there is minus, so we are going to plus. So 1 plus tan A tan B. Okay, so we can do it for cot also. Similarly for cot.
It's just inverse.
Huh?
It's just inverse. 1 by tan.
Yeah, but yeah, the same way you have to proceed further.
Okay.
Okay, so for you want to try for cot also? So if you want to write cot A plus B will be equal to what? Cot is what? Cos A plus B divided by sin A plus B equal to what? Cos A. Cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, right? So this is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B divided by, what this will be? Sin A plus B is what? Where is sin A plus B? Where is sin A plus B here? Correct?
Sin A cos B.
Sin A cos B, sin A cos B
Plus cos A sin
plus cos A sin B. So we have to get everything in cot. Okay. So what I should do? Okay, we have to get the cot. So you can see here. I should divide it by
sin.
sin A sin B. Correct? So when I divide by sin A sin B, what happened? The top one would become cos A cos B divided by sin A sin B
Minus 1.
minus 1 whole thing, because this becomes tan. Okay? So then what we are going to have here? Sin A cos B divided by sin A sin B plus cos A sin B divided by sin A sin B. So what we did, we just divided by sin A sin B, above and below. Okay. So this becomes 1. So now this is what? Cos A by sin A equal to cot A. Cos B by sin B equal to cot B. So this will be cot A cot B minus 1 divided by, this will be what? Sin A sin A cancels. So cot B plus sin B cancels plus cot A. Okay, or we can reverse also, positive, no? So cot A plus cot B. Okay, so this is going to become cot A cot B minus 1 divided by cot A plus cot B. It is not valid for A or B equal to pi. So there it becomes 0. Okay. So pi or 0, pi, 2 pi, those places, at those values, this cot values become infinity, so we can't use it. Okay. That's it. So similarly there are other relations. Yeah, okay, then you can do it for cot my A minus B also. That is straightforward. Okay. So because of cot A minus B will be equal to, just replace B as minus B. Correct? So when this B becomes minus B, this is going to be
minus cot.
it will become minus, right? So we are going to have minus, or I will write it as minus cot A cot B minus 1 divided by, what this will be? This is same, cot A minus cot B. So if I take the minus commonly outside and if I take here also minus commonly outside, if I get cancelled, so it's going to become cot A cot B plus 1 divided by cot B minus cot B. Okay? So